Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how to set up your personal narrative paper. Obviously when you'll get yours, you guys know that your name would be here and then personal narrative 1.9-1. It's the first 9 weeks and then it's the first essay that we're writing or the first personal narrative that we're typing up. So the first thing that you'll notice is the font is Arial 11. Go ahead and leave that. I don't want a whole bunch of different kind of fonts. And then in the left-hand corner, you would start with your last name, comma, first name, and then the date. So you'll just put the date that you started, so you won't have to change that. And then you'll put the class period, so 7-, third period would put third, fifth period would put fifth, and then hit enter twice, so 1, 2. And then tabbing over indents. I do not want you to hit the space button 5 times to indent. Go ahead and just utilize that tab button. Once you've done that, then I want you to go up to Format and then go down to Line Spacing, and I want you to make sure that it is on 1.5. It automatically defaults to singles, so you'll need to change it to 1.5. So then once it's changed to 1.5, then you can begin your essay. So you'll notice that there's just a little bit of space in between. That just helps my eyes a little bit after I've been grading so many of these. So you'll finish your essay. Some of you will have 2 paragraphs, some of you will have 3, some of you will have 1. It just kind of depends on the layout of your essay because everybody's is going to be different. Once you get completed, you can share it with a peer to revise. And how you do that is you hit the share button up here, and then you'll just type in their name. So if I wanted to send it to Ms. Brewer, I would type in Jennifer Brewer and it would be there, and then I would just click send. And then she would have to go into her Google Drive, and then she would have to click shared with me because I share it with her, and it would pop up here. Then once you click on your partner's presentation or their essay, I want you guys to utilize the comments button up in this right hand corner. So we're just going to pretend that this is your peer's essay. And that comment button allows you to make comments just on certain things. So you highlight what you want to make a comment on and you click this little icon here. And then you just type your comment. And hit comment. So you can do this for individual words, or you can do it for entire paragraphs. And so then you'll see that it highlights it and then it pulls these up on the side for your partner to look at. Once you get your essay back and you have these, you can you'll kind of read the feedback, and then to resolve it, you just hit this little resolve button, the highlight, and the comments go away. I would suggest that you make the correction if you want to, and remember guys that these are suggested edits. You don't have to make these, that's totally up to you because this is your paper. So you'll make the edit, and then I would hit resolve, because if you hit resolve first, then I'm thinking, oh gosh, I don't remember what they said about this, so on and so forth. So just make sure that if you want to make the correction, you make the correction first, and then you hit resolve. And you can do that as many times as you want, as many times as time permits. The final deadline for the essay is going to be Friday. I want to try to get them graded on Saturday, so if you can have them in by Friday by 11:59, that would be really great.